Welcome to Slow Foxtrot Basic and Beyond lesson. Here we explore interesting advanced figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we will look at figure which consists of weave, outside spin and a running finish. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So first figure we will use is Slow Foxtrot Basic Weave. Man will start with left foot and dance quick, 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 quick. Now we will use first two steps of weave. So we start this time with toe, quick, quick, then we dance outside spin and continue with ending of a running finish. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us our today's new figure. So we start with first two steps of weave, then outside spin and a running finish. Very good. Let's look from opposite angle. And quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at figures we will use before this our new figure. So we will start with Fallaway reverse slip pivot and continue with quick open reverse and then back check. Very good. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. And quick, 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 quick and slow. And now let's put together Fallaway, then quick open reverse and our new figure. So we start with Fallaway reverse slip pivot, then quick open reverse with back check. We continue with steps of weave, then outside spin and a running finish. Very good. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. And quick, 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 quick and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Now let's look at following figures. We will dance beginning of 3 fallaways, slow and quick, 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 then 2 steps to promenade position with bounce action. Let's do it again. And slow and quick, 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 quick. And now let's add a reverse turn with cross and finish to promenade position. So we start with 3 fallaways, then 2 steps to promenade. From promenade we dance reverse turn with cross and finish in promenade position. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. And slow and quick, 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 quick and quick, quick. And now let's put together our today's choreography. We will start with Fallaway reverse slip pivot, then quick open reverse with back check, weave, outside spin, running finish, then feather step, 3 fallaways, 2 steps to promenade, and reverse turn with cross finished in promenade position. Very good. Let's do it again. This time with teaching count. Quick, 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 quick and slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, 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 slow. Quick, quick, slow and quick, 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 quick and quick, quick. And now let's look again, this time from opposite angle, and I will count with numbers till 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. And now to music. Thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.